Golden Ramsay-style fried eggs recipe. If you're looking for the ultimate way to upgrade your morning eggs, this Golden Ramsay viral fried eggs recipe is a must-try. Perfectly crispy on the bottom, soft runny yolks, and a flavor kick from sriracha and Worcestershire sauce. This recipe turns simple fried eggs into a gourmet treat. Ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon butter, pinch of salt, pinch of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon sriracha sauce, or to taste, a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Method: heat a frying pan on medium-high and drizzle in a little oil. Add the butter and let it melt until slightly foamy. Crack in the eggs carefully, keeping the yolks intact. Lower the heat and season with salt and chili flakes. Cook until the egg whites are set and crispy at the edges while keeping the yolks runny. Drizzle sriracha sauce over the eggs, followed by a splash of Worcestershire sauce. Remove from the pan and serve immediately. Pro tip: these eggs taste amazing with buttered toast or on top of avocado toast for a more filling breakfast. Serving suggestions: with toasted sourdough or garlic bread, on a bed of sautéed spinach, as a topping for fried rice or noodles.